Hi guys, Mark from Instant Latch. So we built a prototype here for the Polaris Razr Turbo, and as you can see, it mounts right in here. The thing's worked amazingly well. We didn't mount it with any screws or anything. We're using the same VHP tape that they use to mount GoPros. And so this is Lon. He's my next door neighbor. He's kind of my test mule. Hi Lon. Hey. So Lon, what do you think of the unit? You've used it all weekend.
Well, I've been looking for something to put in here so I could see my phone, have it handy, and it's worked amazing. It has the phone locks onto it and it does not move. It doesn't matter. We're going up hills or going through whoops, ruts. It holds solid. It's impressive.
Okay, awesome. Well, we're going to do a quick test run, and we're just up here at St. Anthony, so we'll just do a quick run through some of these bumpy areas, and you can just see how it handles for itself. All right, let's roll.